What up, guys? It's Poundcake here. I'm just coming to show you my new setup from when I posted the original video. That was a really long time ago. Pretty much everything's updated except for a few parts in the computer. I got a brand new keyboard, and I'm trying to get away from Razer because they're really overpriced and not necessarily the greatest company. So I have the Corsair K70 keyboard. It's RGB backlit. Really nice keyboard. I love this. Has wonderful sounding keys. Sorry, my computer's being really loud. I got a new monitor from my old one. My old one was garbage. I actually got a monitor that's bigger than like a small TV. For headphones, I have the HyperX Cloud 2s. I love these headphones. Super comfortable, and they have a detachable mic. I got a new half ago. I got the Corsair, I think it's called a Scimitar, and it's also got the blue color scheme with flashing lights, and it's got the 12 buttons on the side of the mouse. I got a tablet that I use for updating the Instagram and Twitter accounts and replying to comments on my YouTube videos. I have a new case that I got from my computer, probably maybe like 6 months ago or something, and I have blue RGB lights in there. I got a new heatsink and a couple other things. That's basically my setup. I mean, I got a new desk and everything since the last time you guys saw it. I got speakers in here. Still got the Deadpool poster in the rest of my room. I guess it really remained the same. And then that's basically it. Oh, I also have an Xbox 360. I haven't gotten around to upgrading yet because I don't know. I don't really use it that much. I'm mainly a PC gamer now. That's basically it. I guess I can just like give you a little view of like the main part of my house. Trail ends. So this is basically my brand new setup. I don't know, it's not necessarily new. I also have this, I love this mouse pad. It extends all the way from my keyboard down all the way to my mouse. I love it. It's by Pernix or something, I don't know. And then I have these new speakers that my dad gave me for Christmas. That's basically it. Oh, I can show you the view outside of my bedroom. I mean, it's just woods. More house and a garden, and the roof of the garage. That's basically it for my PC setup video. I will be doing reviews and unboxings in the future. Peace out.